Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my lovely client Nikki, and she's come in today for a redesign. So I've obviously took her previous design off. The previous design is a blue set that I did, and on my Instagram it went absolutely crazy, and I wish I recorded them and I didn't. So I thought, do you know what, I'm going to record these ones today. So we're going for a khaki. Is this khaki? I don't know. My boyfriend always calls it khaki. I'm like, mate, it's not khaki. It's like tacky. Maybe he's trying to tell me something. But yeah, I'm using this like greeny colour. So it's olive tree from CJP. I brought it because I just thought I need to try it. Because this is really out of my comfort zone. I always feel like no one would want this colour, but I'm wrong. She wanted it, and the final result was stunning. So just before I get into this video, I just want to say that the camera angle was awful and the lighting was awful, so I just want to apologise for that now. Then on the ring finger, we're going to create a smile line. So I'm using Birthday Suit, and I'm just going to create a smile line, like I said. So the middle finger, oh my god, guys, you're gonna crack up. I thought I could do like a stripey marble. Is that what it's called? I don't know. I've seen quite a few people doing it, and this, you can see there the pigment. There was just like big chunks of pigment left. I don't know. Maybe I was meant to shake it. I don't know, but the pigment was ruining it. But to be fair, as I was doing it, I was panicking. I was honestly panicking. I was like, this is horrendous. I'm usually a real talker, like having nails done, but there was pure silence. I think she had pure silence as well, because maybe she was panicking. I never mentioned it to her, so Nikki, if you're watching, I was panicking, I'm not gonna lie. But it was my favourite nail at the end, and you'll see at the end anyway. I've got a little video, a little clip of it at the end, and it was absolutely gorgeous. It was my favourite nail, but it was all down to the glitter that I put on it. It just saved it, honestly. Look at it now, can't believe it. Like, what was I thinking? But don't worry, it got all sorted. So again, I was using my CJP number 2 brush, looking at it here thinking, what on earth have I done? So then I'm just using the nude olive tree and a Birthday Suit, and just kind of doing a mess, really. That's all I can really say. So then I pick up this glitter. This is from Glitter Planet. It's 24k. I think it's called 24k, but I might be wrong about that, so don't hold me to it. But I will check and make sure that it is in the description box for you. So then I pick up some light gold glitter from Naio Nails, just a chunkier glitter, and put that on the nails. And this is just what saved it, I'm sure. But to be fair, it still looked a bit matte now, but I knew it would be okay in the end, thankfully. So then the pointer finger is going to be a full glitter nail. So like I said, I do think this is 24K. So I'm just going to do that as a background. It was really nice to work with actually. It just gave full cover instantly. I love glitters that do that. I hate them when they're all bitty and gritty and you've got to do so many coats. I love just a nice smooth glitter that just glides on perfectly. And then I pick up those same chunkier glitter from Naio, and then also over the top of that, just a tiny bit, I picked up a bit of Pocket Watch from Glitter Planet as well, just to add a little bit of orangey tinge to the mix, which was nice. I liked. So that's what I'm doing here, you can see. So, and if you use my code Tracy10 at Glitter Planet, you can get 10% off your order. My brush is also from them too. This is the, oh my god, the aqua brush. Why do I forget every time? Everyone comments going, why do you forget it? Like, oh, I don't know why. No, this ain't the aqua brush. What brush is this? The magic stick. Why can I never remember the magic stick? Oh, honest to God. I think something's happening to me in my old age. I've hit 30 and my memory's just gone blank. But anyway, the thumb is going to be a full nail of the olive tree. Because you've seen me cap nails a million trillion times, I just thought I'd show you one nail, and I thought I'd show you the nail that I was panicking about, because I don't know, it just comes all together. So I just wanted you just to see that it all comes together. It's all fine, and mistakes can be fixed. So whoever you are, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, we're all human. Things like this happen. So once I'd capped all the nails and everything was nice and dry, I then come in with my hand file and I'll just perfect the shape on this smile line, make it nice and crisp. And then I come in with that same olive colour, olive tree, and just go round the smile line really. And then I come in with those glitters and just put them at the tip. So I obviously cap that now in crystal glass. I then file, shape, buff. I'm just showing you here. She went and gave him a good scrub with some soap and water, and now we're ready for top coat. So I'm using the one and only CJP Tack Free Top Gloss and just applying a nice even layer of that over all the nails, curing in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. I apply a nice amount of cuticle oil. I used lemon sorbet on this set. And then, yeah, that is the set complete. I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see the final result and the ring finger in its full. I think I even zoom in for you to see it. Because it was honestly stunning. I was really proud of it. I don't know, I was absolutely panicking, like, and then at the end I was just like, this is an amazing nail. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.